Well, we're going to come back to field, so they're going to have to know.
Come to the Dublin Methodist Church.
Scott, here, pull this bag this one.
Maddie, move, please.
Yeah, well, we had something that would have worked, but we just didn't know what was moving.
Hey, Linda.
Hello. I got you. You got me, lady.
Uh-huh.
Go get some wind.
No, they're not.
That's a lot of work. It really is.
So right now, until I get my other house sold, I can't catch up what I'm doing. I have not put it on the market yet. I have got to get it ready. Right when we close on the other one, I went back to school.
Good.
You found a snowman too? I found a mini one attached to a big one. That was funny. Hey, here's some right here. Here's a big one.
I was just stacking them and then we'll bring the bucket to me.
The thing fell off.
Yeah. That's sad.
This ain't nothing. But you never know long as you think so long.
Strawberry tree. Yeah. All right, let's get a lot of buckets full of this.
Okay, we'll have to evaluate just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, darling.